Hi guys, it's me again, Christoph Andrew. If you are watching right now, please don't forget to like and share this video and hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Today is a Nooks day because we're going to unbox random blind boxes from Nook series and some special editions that we're going to unbox today. And I'm so excited because I have few Nooks figures that I had before and I want to add more in my collection. And I'm so excited to have a secret this time and I hope there will be no duplicates. Cross fingers. So what are we waiting for, guys? Let's do the unboxing now. Before I'm going to proceed with the unboxing, let me show you first that they gave me some freebies from these purchases. They gave me a lot of stickers of different IPs from 52 Toys. Let me show you first. This is my first time to unbox a complete what you call that one, complete set of not complete set of Nook series, but all Nook series in one vlog. That's what I meant. So let me show you all the stickers that I have. I'm not sure and I'm not familiar with the IPs because I have only few Nooks. If you can see in my background, I have like 2, 4, 6, 7 Nooks figure. So I don't know who's this IP or figure. They have gave me like this. Let me show you a lot of beautiful artwork and stickers. And this lady, I'm not sure who is this. If you know some from this IP, guys, you can comment down below. They are so cute, very adorable. I guess this is the new release from Pop Mart IPs again. Sorry, not Pop Mart. I used to open Pop Mart, that's why I said Pop Mart. This is a new release from 52 Toys. So let me show you guys a lot of stickers, a lot of freebies, and they gave me another freebie from Wasteland Park baggage tag. This is, I guess, a baggage tag of Nook's figure from 52 Toys as well. Let me open this one, guys. Okay, this is so cute. Very Nook vibe. Brown and cream. Yeah, this is so nice. Look, guys, I can use this one in my luggage. I can attach or hang this one in my luggage so that I can keep track during my travel. What I like about this tag is the design and the artwork, very unique. And you can put your like your name tags here or your address. And they use a leather material on this figure or artwork of Nook, and it looks sturdy at the same time. Very nice. This one is so cool. A freebie from them. Thank you so much. I can keep this one, guys. If you have this one as well, you can comment down below. Let me start the unboxing with the vintage store series of Nook. And in this collection, they have 8 designs, confirmed 8 designs and one secret. I'm hoping to get a one secret and not a duplicate. So I'm going to open this one at the bottom part so that if this one is a duplicate, I'm not gonna open the foil, but I'm gonna show you the figure at the back, and I might sell the duplicate ones. The one that I had already is the mysterious compass and the one day clerk. So I really want to get this one, the secret scape and the fortune collector. So let's see. Let me start opening this one at the bottom part. I'm going to use a cutter so that it will be cut and opened in a nice way and I can still keep the box in a good condition. So I'm so excited. So this one is the foil that they use for Nook. It's a typical foil of 52 toys or 52 toys. I hope it's not a duplicate. Let's see. Let me open and unveil to you our first figure. So 1, 2, 3. Yes! Yes! I guess this is my prio. Yeah. right? Yes, the fortune collector. It's so nice. I'm so happy that I got this one. This is so cool. I like the intricate details of this one. This is like a like a carbon or cardboard or card box, and there is a design of a pig. It's like this one is a, I don't know what you call that one. In Filipino, it's alcansya, or you can keep a money like that in this box, and you can see the pet of Nook here, like, yeah, it's the one getting the coins. Yeah, I remember. It's like a piggy bank, but it's not a plastic or ceramic. It's a cardboard box that they use in the head of Nook here. I like the details of the sweater that they used for Nook here. It's very detailed. It's so cute, and even the gold coins are so detailed. I love it. I love the color combination of this one. Very nice. This is a, what you call, old money. Yeah, it's an old money. Maybe Nook is a collector of old coins or currency. And what I like about this series is the card that they use with Nook. It's movable and there's a lot of interaction like that. Look, it's so nice and it's so cute. I'm happy. My first unbox is my Prio, and I hope you like this one as well. This is an added collection. They can have a new friend now there. So if you like this one as well, guys, you can comment down below. Let me proceed with our second box, which is Nook Little World series. What I had before is the Ripple record player, this one. They have 8 designs as well with one secret, which has a probability of 1 over 96. So I really want to get the Flying Captain, the Moon Haven, also this one because he has a different hairstyle from the others. So these three are my priors, but it's not a heavy box. So I hope I won't get this one because I already have this one, not a duplicate. I hope so. And maybe a secret. Why not, guys? So let me open now this one at the bottom part. I hope I'll get my prio again. I don't like a duplicate. But even if this is a duplicate, I'm gonna sell it to some of my customers or friends. Let me show you the foil again. Okay, I hope it's not a duplicate. I'm hoping and crossing my fingers. So let's see. So one, two, three. Yay! It's not a duplicate, but I guess I like this one as well. The Burr one. Look, it's like a shaker, but it's a glitter inside. It's a golden glitter inside. Look, guys. I like this one as well. Not my Prio, but oh, this is so cute. Look, guys. He's so cute because I guess he's wearing a Burr outfit. Let me show you the inclusion. Yay! I'm happy that I'm not getting any duplicates. I hope for the other two that it's not a duplicate as well. Let me put the hat or the other costume or the headdress of Nook here. Yay! It's so cool. It's the Burr one. I'm not sure. Is this the Burr one? Yeah, brown Burr, I guess. This is so cute. So cool. So this is the, what's the name? Let me check it. Okay, the Burr with star. The Burr with, oh, okay. There's a star inside. If you're gonna shake that one, it's not visible actually because of the glitters that's inside of Nook's body. It's a half hollow because of the translucent material that they use with Nook feet and legs, and in the half of his belly. Um, it mentioned that there's stars inside. Look, if you can see in the art card, but it's not visible. I just hope that make a lot more translucent here in his body so that the star is visible in our naked eyes. I can see that one, but I'm not sure if you can see that one while watching this one. But I really, really like this one. It's so different. It's so artistically done. It's so unique, and you will definitely love this one as well. The Bear with the Star. I hope you can get this one as well at 52 Toys. And if you want it, you can comment down below. Let me proceed with another Nook Quest for the Heart series. They have again 8 confirmed figures and one secret. I had the Toward the Light and He a High Stranger. These two I had already. If you watch my previous blog, you can visit that one and you can check my other Nooks unboxing. So I really, really like the Nooks boxes because very artistic. I like the illustration. It's so unique with the others. It's so vintage vibe. And my prio here that I really wanna get is the one with the umbrella. I really wanna get this one. And of course, the kindness, the one with the rose, and yeah, the heart mirror, and the shadow secret or the secret. Let's see, guys. Let me open this one at the bottom part. Please don't be a duplicate. So let's see. I hope it's not a duplicate. Okay, it seems like a small one. If I'm going to guess this one, maybe, hmm, maybe the secret? I'm not sure. Let me open this. I hope it's not a duplicate. So, one, two, three. What the? Wait! It's a duplicate. Why I opened this one? I forgot to check the card first. Hmm. And this one is a duplicate, guys. Look, it's there already at the back. I forgot to check first the art card. Oh no. Okay, still, it's so cute. I'm not gonna display this one so that I can keep it in a good condition. But I opened the foil already. I'm so sad. And it's a duplicate. Ah, okay. Not a good one. But let me show you the art card. The art card, it's like a small book and there's a note inside. I will read it for you. Toward the light, illuminate the light within your heart and stride forward with courage from Nook. So, let me show you the one that I had before. Oops. Yep. Okay. This one is so nice as well, but sad it's a duplicate. Nook is carrying a heart lamp, and I guess this one is glow in the dark. I hope so. I didn't see it yet. And Nook is carrying his pet cat at the back. You can remove the hat of Nook here. You can steal the material that they use at Nook's head or hair. It's a flat finish, and I really really like this one because uh, it seems like Nook is a very curious guy and lost and looking for some answers in the woods. I'm not sure if you have other interpretation, guys. You can comment down below and give me your thoughts. So, guys, let's proceed with our fourth box. It's so sad that I had a duplicate, my first duplicate. I hope this one it's not. So, this is a Wasteland Park series of Nook. I had the hello already. So what I wanna get this one is the one riding in a I don't know what you call this one again. It's a wooden I forgot. Let me think about it in a while. So this is Patrol and the one is Stuck Up Day, which is this one or the Vitality. So let me open this one at the bottom part and double check the art card first because I totally forgot that I have to check the art card first because I'm trying to avoid to open the foil of the duplicates one. So let's see. I hope it's not a duplicate again. Okay, let me carefully open this one because I said I'm gonna sell it. Okay, it's glued so much. Okay, yep. So let's see the art card first. Oh, what's this? Let's see the art card first. Where's the art card? Let me remove the foil. Okay, and where's the art card? So one, two, three. Yay! The one that I want. The patrol. Guys, I forgot what you can call this one. Like hoverboard. Yeah, I guess this is hoverboard, right? This is hoverboard. I guess. Yeah, I'm right. I remember it now. It's the hoverboard, but this one is a wooden hoverboard. Yay! It's not a duplicate. Yeah, this is so cool. I like his outfit. Very nice. It's so cool. You can tilt the head, I guess. Oh. I guess it's not. Okay, let me check all the inclusions. Okay, so this is the inclusions. The hoverboard is a wooden hoverboard. It's not the electric one, but you can put like this. Oops, this is so nice and cool. Yep, I have to, yeah, stick it. And there's you can roll the, what you call this one? The gulong. I forgot. You can move the wheels and like this. Look, guys, it's so cool. And I can put first the inclusion. Where should I put this one? I'm not sure. Let me check the art card. And you can put this one here. He's uh holding a megaphone. Yep, this is so nice. But wait, in the picture, the head of Nook is looking at ano. Because this one has a different artwork. He's looking at the top and here is he's looking down. So I have to put the inclusion. Okay, it seems like the one giving the announcement is the bird, the little bird, giving the announcement because uh, it's talking in the megaphone. This one is so cute. I like the outfit of Nook here, very different from the other outfit that they had. And he's patrolling with his friend. Surprisingly, he has no cat friend here. In this figure, he has a small white bird who is helping him to do a patrol. And yeah, this one is so cool. Very, very nice one. I can keep this one as a collection, added collection. I like this one, and even the art card is so nice, very artistic. I like the illustration. If you like this one as well, guys, you can comment down below. So guys, let me proceed with the blister first because when I received this one, the blister pack is already uh, detached already because maybe the figure is so heavy. It's very very heavy one. So this one is a 120% limited edition of Nook. The Nook it's banana na. Yeah, it's banana na. Look, banana na. Limited edition 120%. This is my first time to get a 120% figure because I usually have uh, the 400, I have the 200. So this is my first time to get this 120%. And this one is so heavy. Look, even the illustration board is so artistic. I like the illustration, I like the design. It's very banana. And I can keep this one as a souvenir and as a collection. And it includes one of lanyards. I'm not sure if this one is attached here or included, or maybe this one is just a freebie. Let me see and open this one for you. Okay, it's so nice. It's like an ID lanyard that you can use whenever you will go. And I like the material. It's not cheap material. It's not cheap one. There's a branding. It's so cool. It incorporates the color of the figure or the artwork of the art card. It's Nook yellow and blue. Very nice. So cute. Maybe this one's just freebie. Let me set aside that one and let me free Nook banana na. This one is so cute. It's so heavy, guys. Look, a very banana Nook. I like the outfit of Nook here. It's very yellow, and I'm not sure if this one is real banana peel. It looks like one. Very detailed, very realistic. I like the color gradient of this figure because it blends together with the color palette of the orange and the yellow and the brown, and it contrasts the white color of the cat body. This one is so cool. Very heavy figure. I like that they used chip eye steel with Nook here. This one is really for keeps and a good collection. There is a Nook branding at the bottom part of Nook's shoes. This one is so cute. Very, very nice figure. You will definitely love this one and definitely get this one as a collection. And if you like this one, guys, and if you have something to comment about Nook's Banana, you can comment down below. Very nice. It seems like I prefer the cat is a magnetized one. What do you think, guys? You like this one or not? So, guys, let's proceed with our last box. So, I saved the breast for last. So, this one is it's a mystery box as well. When I purchased this one, it's like a mystery bags. Like you have to purchase, you will not know if you are getting this one or the other one, which is the action figure. That's the because you can get 50% of this one and the action figure. Surprisingly, I get the secret, which is the vintage gentleman, and I'm so happy, but I'm not sure yet. I have to open this one, but it's really mentioned here. It's Vintage Gentleman. I'm going to show you here in this section what I purchased because you will. I really don't know that I got this one. So let's see. Let me open this one now. This one is a limited collection as well. So let me carefully remove the plastic. Okay, it's still sealed and brand new. Look, guys. This one is so cute. I like the box. It's very artistic. I like the illustration. It's a very vintage vibe. So this one is a vintage gentleman Nook Store Daily Life. Um, I'm not sure if I'll gonna like this one or not because it's my first time to collect more of Nooks, other IPs or other series, and this one is a limited collection. Let me read this for you. Let me read this one for you. So he likes doodling and making crafts, observing the world, sitting in the corner. I like it. I like the vibe. It's very vintage. So let me open. Oh, okay, so you can just pull this one up and it's a surprise. Yes, I got the secret. So this is the vintage gentleman of Nook. The other one is the action figure. So I was really really surprised because I'm not expecting to get this one. even though there's a 50-50 to get this. And this one is a blister also. Okay. Oops. Okay, so there is an art card as well. I like it. So this is Vintage Nook, Vintage Gentleman. I love the art card. I love the illustration. Very artistic. It's so nice. Looks premium, very vintage vibe. So let me free Nook in the blister. Okay. So you can dress Nook here because I believe you can change and remove the outfit whenever you want and whatever you want. Oh, I'm so excited, because I never thought that Nook has this and they have like action figure as well. So this one is so cool. I guess this one is 200%, I believe, or 250. I'm not sure what's the size of this one. So nice. Can I move the hand? Yes, you can move the hand. Look, even the clothes of Nook here is a very vintage vibe. And it's mentioned there's a tag of its sale. It seems like Nook is a model here and he's modeling this vintage outfit. You can remove this one, right? Let me. Yeah, you can remove this. I'm not sure if you can undress Nook. I guess it is. He looks cool if he's wearing only the inner clothes. And it's a stripe one, blue stripe one. It reminds me of myself. I always used to wear tank tops like this. And even the head of Nook is a flat finish. Yeah, a very good quality material. You can move the hand of Nook like this. What about the feet? You can remove no. Okay, you can remove the pants of Nook as well, but I will not remove it to censor because we might get censored. So I like the material of the clothes of Nook here. Very nice quality material. Even the pants, it's so cool. Yeah, I like it. Very nice. Very vintage vibe. Even the shoes of Nook here is like a very expensive black shoes, very dapper one. Let me put back the clothes and there is a tag of Nook. Very cool. Okay. Let me dress Nook again. So cool. Oh, yep. Okay. This is so nice. Hmm. I guess you can. It's just that the clothes of Nook is very big. Maybe you can fold this one so that I can see or we can see Nook's hand. Yeah. And so that it can give a bit of style. Uh-uh. Okay. It will take some time, guys, huh? Be patient. Okay. So, like this. But there's a thread. I have to remove the thread. Okay. Okay. Why it's not giving me a hard time? Wait, guys. Oh, okay. That's it. Okay. This is so hard. Maybe because I'm not used to fold small clothes or, yep, like this and like that. Yep, like that. Okay, let me open the hat or the. I'm not sure if this is a bolero. I guess even the bolero or the hat of Nook here has a quality finish. It's very nice stitch. Look, guys, it's so nice material. Looks really, really premium. This is so cool. Nook here is very premium looking Nook. And why there's no sign of Nook in the hat? Why? Because in here there's a signed Nook. but here none. Look, there's none, and only here, which is the sale one. It's very different on the artwork. Still, Nook here is very nice, guys. Look, he's really look vintage. Very, very nice one. Very big figure. So cool. So nice. If you like Nook as well as a vintage one, you can comment down below. So guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today, and they're all Nooks figures, and surprisingly, I found them very very cute, very very adorable. I love them all, every inch of them. I love it because even the materials that they use with Nook here are very very good quality materials. They really put a lot of thoughts and art with these figures. I love them all, guys. Unfortunately, I just had one duplicate, and it's okay. I'll get another one, and I hope I won't get another duplicate. But guys, I opened a very nice figures, and I hope you agree with me. If I'm going to choose my favorites, they are all my favorites because they are all cute and adorable. But this one is my top one, guys. So what about you guys? You have other favorites from this collection? And if you enjoy watching my vlog, guys, you can like and share my video. And don't forget to tap the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching. Bye!